I found another feather for my hat. Video log 44. And I just looked out the door. I'm on my way to Fallbrook today. Go to get my mail. I need to get some more groceries, a couple of groceries, because we got another storm coming in. And before I step out the door, I'm going to show you what Miss Guy brought in. Remember on the video I showed the other day of her down there looking for gophers? She brought me one. So if you are squeamish about dead animals, I'm letting you see it through the screen. That's a big gopher. And it's kind of blurred out from the screen because it's been chewed by the dog. It's not really chewed, it's just dead and not looking all that pleasant. Hope you're not having breakfast now or anything. Another beautiful day before the storm. There's not a cloud in the sky today. But rodent went into the compost pile. And I'm going to get in my car. Miss Sky's going to sled us down. I'm going to go to Fallbrook in my mail, get some groceries and come back. We're going to go get some artichokes, some plants. And then we're going to rake and plant a little basil today. And that'll be the end of the video. I don't know what I'll do. Maybe that won't be the end. I don't know. We'll find out. The question always is, will Sky be here when we get back? Because she's gonna go visit her home where she grew up and stay there for a while till I get home. But if they hook her up, she won't be here. Small town, and one of my favorite places to go is a grocery outlet right back there, and next to that is Cahoots. I need dog food, so this is my stop in town. I won't be coming back here for another week because we got a storm coming in, and so this is a short clip. There is probably one of these in every city in America. What will we do without them? I am back from Fallbrook and I got my mail and I'm trying out my new microphone right there. The new little thing that plugs onto my phone. and we are going to finish off the video today with another walk down to get the artichokes that we started to get yesterday. So I'm going to pick a couple of those. We're going to come back here and then I'm going to plant them, and then I'm going to rake up a little area that I'm going to throw some of my basil seed to get that going in because of an upcoming storm. I also picked up, while I was at the Ace Hardware, it's about the only thing we have, but that's a good thing. I picked up some home defense stuff, some bug spray, only because when I was in there looking around, I could see some webs that I'm not happy with. The telltale signs of my nemesis, one of those spiders that got me last year. It's called a brown recluse, and I'm making sure that there are not going to be any of those around this year. So I have something I'll be doing tomorrow, probably earlier in the morning. I'll be doing that, but I also put up a tarp, an extra tarp, to further waterproof this from this next storm. We're supposed to get over an inch, so it's a lot of rain. So, okay, I'm headed down the hill. I'm hoping this is buffering the wind noise. If it's not, then I've got to put a different kind of windsock on here maybe, or something, wind muffler, whatever they call it. Okay, on the way down to artichokes. Well, I made it up to the artichokes just in time to see Ashley, who is the property owner, who's going to be building a really new piece of property over on here. And he's coming up to check his area that he's going to be having a septic tank going on. Hi, Ashley.
Hi. Are you enjoying the Duluth blue?
Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous out here. How are you? So there he goes. That is a septic tank, and that is going to be going in here. And all the leach lines and all of those things have to go down in this area because this ground doesn't percolate very well. So the big challenges of trying to build anything out here in this part of the country, this has taken them years, literally, to get this far. So it's not as easy as it looks, that's for sure, unless you want to live little. And that's easy. But these little buttercups look pretty cool. They're just absolutely gorgeous. And let's go and pick some artichokes. We only want a couple because they get big. Okay, I am a long ways from the Mama Artichoke plant right there, and the artichokes are still popping up all the way down here. This hillside has artichokes growing everywhere. So there could be one heck of a harvest of artichokes, or their little staff guy that comes in here a couple times a week to do all the weeding and things is going to be busy picking artichokes out of the ground. So we're going to pick a couple. I like this one, and I like that one. Maybe let's just go with two. And I'll go get my thing and we'll pick them. I hope this windsock, I think this windsock is working pretty good. So I think this. Oh no. Okay, I've got the artichokes, and it's some of the flowers Heidi's got planted out here are starting to bloom. I'm gonna go by and take some pictures around, and if I see some really unique ones, I'll put them on this video today. But then we're on the way back, then I'm gonna do a little bit of basil, and that'll be the end, I think. We'll see. So I am on my way back. We took a long way around, and I took some video and some stills of some of the prettier flowers that are starting to bloom now. And the water in the creek is still running. They're not like they were. In another day, they will stop. There won't be any more rain, or won't be any more of this until we have another rainstorm. This may not stop because we have another rain coming in tomorrow by noon. So this is like crazy beautiful weather right now, and it's going to change in 24 hours. And that's what's happening now. I also met my friend Francisco, and he needs some work. So I'm going to get that wood taken care of, get that garden kind of squared away, and give him some work. I think that's the next project in the next week or two. So let's see, stay tuned. But we're on our way home, and that's probably the end of the video. I think, we'll see. Nope, wasn't the end of my video. I forgot my stick. I forgot that. So if you can spot the 3 artichoke plants, 1, 2, 3, and they are okay. They're in wet soil. We're going to get an inch of rain, and they will take off, and they can have this part of the hill. Now, I don't know what the gophers are going to do with them, but let's hope that they survive. And right in here is where we're going to do the basil tomorrow. And look at this, I have some lettuce growing here. Curly leaf lettuce. Okay, I'm really going to end the video with this one. I finished putting the artichokes in the ground, and tomorrow I will work on that area right there to plant some basil. I put a little bit too much on my plate today, but that's a good thing because I got the majority of what I wanted done today. So that's the end of this. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you tomorrow.